Pocket Water Euro-nymphing, Savage River, Maryland. The short gear list. A net, a rod. I like the 10-foot 4-weight Davy Wotton Snowbee. Good reel, the right flies. Now where do I cast? The simple answer is where the water transitions from fast to slow, mainly where the water slows down. Fish like to hold in the slower water. The red lines depict the seams in this water column. Once you figure out where the water seams are, the next step is to get a natural drift along the water speed transitions. A good drift is key, along with the right flies and a good hook set. After about the 10th cast, I finally got a good drift. It's also important to ensure that your flies get at the proper depth, which is usually near the bottom where the fish are typically hanging out. After a good hook set, it's important to get the fish from the faster water to the slower water, especially if you're using 5X, 6X, or 7X tippet and leader. The longer they stay in that faster water, the better the chances are that that fish will break off that line and leave you wondering what just happened. First brown trout landed and released. Let's cast some more in the same area, along the same seams, or maybe even some different seams. Get a good drift right through that area where they typically hold in the slower water, and a good hook set. Get that fish to the slower water as quick as possible. Get your net ready. Now sometimes they see that net and they quickly hurry off. Don't try and force it, especially when you're using a 5X, 6X, or 7X light tippet or leader. Second brown trout landed. Another solid brown trout. Where there's one, there's probably three. Get a good drift along the seams. Get a good hook set and land the fish. Another solid brown on the Savage River. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tell your friends, and leave comments. Until next time.